Okay. So, you're from where?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Okay. So you fix these phones
Yes.
for how many years?
I never take years.
Huh?
Never take years. Months.
Months. That's your brother. It's your brother. Yeah. You're from Nigeria too.
No.
You're not brothers.
No. Just you want to make phone for me.
Huh?
You want to make a phone.
Okay. You're making a phone for him.
Yes.
You can do that.
Yes, no.
Ah.
It's my job.
Okay. So this is Basse. I'm just interviewing. What's your name?
Police.
Huh?
Police.
Chris.
Yes.
Okay. Just interviewing Chris. He's from Nigeria, and a lot of Nigerians are here in Basse. They're doing their business. They're really good with phones. So I just wanted to interview Chris for America. So America, and he has good taste. He's listening to Tupac. Yeah, he's a good artist. Thank you, Chris. Oh, Jarama. Me nani pulo. Oh, Jarama. Uncle Pulo. Oh, hana wite
Hello.
Ibrahim. Oh,
Ale